How to fix email not working on your iPhone. Let's get started. For that, first of all, you want to make sure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. You can simply try opening a website or the app to confirm that your internet is working properly. After that, you can simply refresh the Mail app. Now swipe down on the screen to refresh your inbox. Sometimes email just need a manual refresh to load. After that, you can simply open up settings. Inside settings in the search bar, you can simply search for mail, tap onto it. Now simply tap on mail accounts, and just like that, tap on your email and make sure mail is turned on. Now sometimes your email stops working due to an incorrect or expired password. So inside here, you can simply select your account, tap on account settings, and just like that, change your passcode. If nothing works, you can simply tap on delete account. Then hit back, tap on add account and add your account again. After that, you can simply tap on fetch new data. Then make sure push is turned on. This ensures your email updates in real time. And finally, restart your phone. This can fix minor glitches affecting email syncing. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.